All right, guys, hello and welcome back. So we are downtown at the Downtown Grand Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. So we are right on Ogden and 3rd Street. So if you're interested in coming down here, it is a pretty cool scene downtown. The Fremont Street experience is literally probably a block away. I like parking over off of Ogden because it's easy, convenient, and it's not bad for pricing either. So today we are going to do the walkthroughs of some of these downtown casinos for you folks, so that way you can see what it's like. Cashier's cage is going to be over to the right, so we are going to avoid that area. So straight up in front of us here is going to be your bar here at the Grand Downtown.
If you take it, we'll give you a sticker and then you put this ticket in the thing, the validation.
Over to the right they have their high limit slots area. There's your high limit slots right over there. They have kind of a smaller casino floor here than I'm used to, but maybe there's more in the back. I just haven't seen it yet. Bathrooms are up over here on the right hand side here for you guys. Kind of like the chandelier things that they've done. Those things are kind of cool. Looks like they got a bar, restaurant, and grill over on the right hand side here. Freedom Beat, America Taste and Tones. Up over here on the right is their sports book here, so I'll kind of show you guys that. Up here is going to be where your hotel lobby and check-in and stuff will be. And they have the art lobby bar up here too. So here's kind of the lobby at the Grand Downtown. It's where you check in if you're a guest. Escalators and stuff go up to the pool and the towers if you're staying here. So pool and towers are going to be over up that way, up the escalators. They have a nice little lobby bar set up here. It's called the Art Bar. I like the lights too. The lights are those older style light bulbs where the electricity actually runs through the copper wire again. But we will make our way towards the front here at the Grand. And then we'll make our way down Fremont Street, pop in a few of those casinos, and do some of the walkthroughs down there as well. But Sportsbook on the right-hand side from earlier. Limited table gaming going on. I think there's 1 or 2 tables open here. I'll be sure to check the limits here for you guys too. I like it though. It's kind of like an industrial. Kind of reminds me of like a loft or a studio type of feeling here, like a downtown loft or studio place. So they have craps, blackjack, and roulette all going on right now. $5 minimums for those tables. So this was the Grand Downtown here in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's off of Ogden and 3rd, so if you're interested in stopping by, be sure to do it. Haven't ever stayed here though, so don't know about the rooms or anything like that, so you'll have to check that on your own accord. But I hope you like this small, little downtown kind of loft feeling casino here at downtown in Las Vegas, Nevada. But anyway, we will leave off with the Grand here. We will pick up with another hotel down Fremont Street, and we will see you folks soon. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, Be sure to subscribe by clicking that 4K logo down in the right hand corner. Be sure to check out the merch store or support the channel on Patreon. But anyway, you all have a beautiful day.